sky. This mess is getting high. It's windy and our family needs a ride. I know we'll be just fine when we learn to love the ride. I know we'll be fine when we learn to love the ride. I know we'll be just fine when we learn to love the ride.
Blows being 15 and stuck in his ancient body. I mean, look, I have a muffin top. Must suck. You suck. Clothes suck. Let's get out of town. Buy a bunch of new stuff.
We don't have any money.
Oh, I raided Tara's wallet. We're fully laminated, baby.
T, is this why I love you the best out of all the alters?
Drugs, not hugs.
Buck. Nice. Hey, don't smoke in here, okay, man?
I only smoke when I party.
Well, this isn't a party.
This is you. Looks like Femoral here's been baking up a storm. Tastes homo-made.
Can I have one menu?
No?
When someone asks you a question, it's customary to lift your gaze to meet theirs and respond in kind.
How's Mom coming back?
Oh, Tara is not equipped to manage this family at the moment. No, we've all come to a consensus, and I think you need me right now.
Oh my God. Are you okay?
Same day, the block had its bicentennial parade.
I don't want to ride a tricycle. I want to ride a big girl bike.
Oh my God, it's Chicken.
Who's chicken?
Chicken was Tara's nickname when we were little kids.
I'm hungry anyway.
Okay, chicken, you must be tired. Let's go.
I'm not tired. No.
Shona Schoenbaum, Tara's new therapist.
Don't do this to me, goddammit!
I know it's been a while, but I'm in the middle of a eulogy and you're denying me. Oh, come on. Think way back. It's your big brother. Now let me see. You have filled out nicely, Zips.
Body's cold, my guts are twisted steel.
I'm crazy.
And I feel like I'm.
I thought I was better. We all thought I was better.
I don't want you in here with the baby doll.
Okay, let's just go outside.
No, I would.
Come on.
No. Easy there, little lady.
Then I'd look in your eyes and I'd say, if you're Tara, I'll be Max. But if you're Gimme, I'll be Gotcha. And if you're Buck, I'll be your bike. If you're Alice, I'll be your astronaut.
But darling, I'll be.
And I'd carry Chicken to the car, even though I